Good day, doctor. My name is Shamni Ravi. Now I am going to present the type of businesses that Prefab Technology Sendirian Berhad do. Prefab Technology Sendirian Berhad is a company specializing in prefabricated technology and solutions. Prefab Technology Sendirian Berhad is a company that specializes in offering innovative and effective prefab solution for a range of industries, including infrastructure, real estate development, and constructions. The company's core business activities revolve around the design, manufacturing, and installation of prefabricated building components. These components can include wall panels, floor systems, roof trusses, modular units, blast doors, letterbox, metal gates, steel door set, and refuse chart choppers. Prefab Technologies' vision is to be a top-notch integrated building group in the region, leveraging on fabrication technology and operational excellence to provide high value-added service to our customers. And the mission is they are fully dedicated to customer satisfaction. We pledge ourselves to a policy of responding sensitively to our customers' progressive needs. Prefab Technology commit ourselves to a one-time completion of our project and to continuous improvement in their quality and cost effectiveness through employees retraining and effective utilization of resources. In Prefab Technology Sendirian Berhad, the total number of employees is 300. This includes a combination of local, foreign, and expatriates workers. In Prefab Technology Sendirian Berhad, the number of foreign expatriates employees is less than 30. These employees come from various countries with a significant portion originating from Singapore, Bangladesh, Vietnam, and Canada. This presence of foreign experts from these countries contribute to the diverse talent pool within the organization. Prefab Technology, located in Lot 389, Jalan Silong, Kampung Pemuda Jaya, 814000 Senai, Johor. Moreover, Prefab Technology Sendirian Berhad is established on 26 August 2018 in Malaysia, while the company's headquarters is located in Singapore.
Hi, my name is Nur Shuhaida binti Shafi'i. My metric number 277321. The problems faced by the prefab in terms of sourcing HR for global market, there is three problems, that is language barrier, cultural difference, and technology challenge. For the language barrier, prefab mostly recruit foreign workers from Bangladesh, Nepal, and Myanmar. That is this worker often do not speak or understand Malay, which is our national language of Malaysia. Due to it, it is quite difficult for them to understand the tasks that they are assigned to. Then cultural difference. Foreign workers may also have difficulty in adjusting to Malaysian culture. This can be due to a difference in work values, social norms, and expectations such as shaking hands that might not familiar in their country culture. Next is technology challenge. Prefab use a variety of technology in its operations, as prefab are taking foreign workers from undeveloped countries such as in Bangladesh, Nepal, and also Myanmar. They may not be familiar with this technology. This can create a challenge for prefab in training and integrating foreign workers into its workforce. The next is the problem faced by the company in terms of international compensation. There is two, that is taxation and cost. For the taxation, when a company like Prefab employ foreign worker, it must comply with the tax laws of both the foreign worker home country and the host country. This can be complex and time-consuming, and it can also lead to double taxation. For the cost, for expertise, Prefab company will need to provide foreigner workers with hostel, transportation, and other necessity things. In hiring, also will costing the company, as the cost can include recruitment fee, visa and work permit fees, and training costs, and also relocation costs. So the last one is the problem faced by the prefab in terms of international training and development. There is three, that is cultural difference, language barrier, and technology challenge. For the cultural difference, since prefab employees come from a wide range of culture with different values, belief and expectations, this can make it difficult to develop training programs that are relevant and effective for all employees. For the language barrier, prefab employees speak a wide range of language, which can make it difficult to communicate effectively during training. This can also lead to misunderstanding and error. For example, if a training program is delivered in English, employees who do not speak English well may not be able to understand the material. As for the technology challenge, as most of the workers come from undeveloped countries such as Bangladesh and Nepal, they are not being exposed with any technology like machine that were used by prefab's company. Due to this, it was a big challenge to them for implement new skill to foreign workers compared to the local one.
Next, I will explain about the international labor relations in a prefab company. First of all, we need to know what is international labor relations. Okay, international labor relations play a crucial role in shaping employment dynamic and ensuring fair and equitable treatment for the worker across the border. In this we have a tree which is labor migrations and employment condition, which is the prefab company often rely on a diverse workforce with many companies recruiting worker from other countries, especially from the Nepal and Bangladesh. Next, we have the international labor standard from the ILO provide a framework for establishing a fair and decent working conditions. And the third, we have a social dialogue worker representation, which is engaging in social dialogue and promoting worker representation is crucial for fostering a harmonious work environment. Next is the challenge that prefab are facing in the dealing in IHR. We have four, which is first is the cultural diversity, second is the training and development, third is the employee retentions, and the fourth is the compliance with the legal and ethical standard. In the term of cultural diversity, the presence of a diverse workforce from other countries, for example from Nepal and Bangladesh, bring the cultural difference that require a careful management. And for the term of a training and development, providing effective training and development opportunities to the diverse workforce can be very challenging due to the varying educational background, skill levels, and the learning style. For the employee retentions, skilled worker is a very crucial for the company in the long-term success. And Nepal and Bangladesh worker may face a challenge in adjusting to the house. Next, how prefab dealing with the challenge. First, we have the challenge, culture, integration, and sensitivity. For this challenge, the prefab company prioritize the culture integration by promoting an inclusive work environment. Next was the language support. To overcome this language barrier, prefab provide the language support programs such as language training sessions and access to the translation service. For the tailored training and development is a very crucial because this for addressing the very diverse educational background for the level skill of the worker. And lastly, employment engagement retention is done by implementing performance-based activity, providing clear pathway for the growth advancement, and offering a supportive work culture. And by implementing all those strategies, the prefab can effectively address the challenge of international human resource management. The HR practices of the international MNC in Malaysia demonstrate a commitment to effectively managing their workforce while aligning with local regulation and cultural norms. The company has implemented several strategies to attract, develop, and retain top talent in the country. These practices have contributed to the overall success of the organization and its ability to navigate the complexities of operating in a foreign market. Overall, despite having established excellent HR practices, the multinational cooperating in Malaysia still has issues with employee engagement, diversity and inclusion, legal compliance, communication, cultural acculturation, and retention of talent. The MNC can improve its HR procedures or fortify its position in the Malaysia market by tackling these issues strategically and adapting. Thank you.